Hello and welcome to the PRINCE2 Practitioner Certification Training Program in the e-learning mode from trainingsdirect.com. We would like to acknowledge Axelos Limited, who own the PRINCE2 guidance via the publication Managing Successful Projects with PRINCE2 6th edition. TrainingsDirect is a PeopleCert accredited organization, meaning we have been licensed and authorized by PeopleCert to deliver PRINCE2 courses, as well as other courses of Axelos like ITIL as well. TrainingsDirect is a global training company having its offices in several countries, providing IT, business management, project management, ISO standards, and many more trainings for individuals and organizations. Our courses are delivered in 5 different ways: public classroom-based, online from home or work, e-learning, a blended approach of self-paced e-learning along with in-person support for instruction, and lastly, corporate trainings. Because we are accredited and licensed to deliver this training, the quality of the training is verified by PeopleCert, which ensures that you get the right information and the right practice for your exam preparation and a good understanding of PRINCE2. The course objectives: understand detailed aspects and responsibilities of the themes. You might recollect from the foundation course that it is about conceptual understanding and remembering terminology and the best practices of PRINCE2. However, in the practitioner course, it's more about applying those concepts. Therefore, it is important to understand the detailed aspects and responsibilities of every theme. Second, understand activities and responsibilities within the processes. At the foundation level, it is only sufficient to understand the purpose and objective of each process. However, here we will go deeper and understand one or more activities and responsibilities within each process. Tailoring individual themes and processes in various project contexts. While an overview of tailoring is required to be understood for the foundation exam, for the practitioner exam, it is necessary to go deeper into tailoring and understand how tailoring can be done for each and every theme as well as each and every process. Understand the structure of key management products. There are 26 management products in PRINCE2. For example, business case, project initiation document, etc. At the foundation level, you are required to understand the purpose of some of the key products or even all of the management products, which are 26. However, in the practitioner course, you are required to understand the deeper structure of each and every management product. So you would have to know what are the various sections in a business case or in a PID, project initiation document. However, in this course, we will also tell you which are those important management products out of the 26. There may be just 4 or 5 such important ones for you to have extra attention on, though we will cover all the management products. Lastly, prepare you for the PRINCE2 Practitioner Exam and give your confidence to attempt those exams and succeed in them. In brief, this is about what will be covered in this course. Projects in context, meaning different situations for projects, and the PRINCE2 integrated environment. This will give you a summary of the concepts of PRINCE2, meaning the 7 principles, the 7 themes, the 7 processes, and the concept of tailoring based on the project environment. Then we go deeper into the tailoring aspects, additional guidance, and responsibilities in each of the 7 themes, followed by tailoring, additional guidance, and responsibilities in each of the 7 processes. Therefore, when I say additional guidance, it actually means deeper tailoring aspects. Let's begin with a understanding of the basics of PRINCE2 before we move on to practitioner concepts, and touch a little bit on the application of PRINCE2 in different situations, which will help you for the practitioner course as well. Projects in context and the PRINCE2 integrated environment. Context means situation. A project may be standalone or part of a program. These are known as projects in various contexts. Every project has a customer, which may also be corporate or program management. Therefore, the customer could be internal within the performing organization, or it could be an external customer who will pay the money for the product or the result. And there would be one or more suppliers. Most of the projects, therefore, are customer supplier projects, though there are also several internal projects as well. Even in that case, we may call the internal performing organization as internal supplier. The customer specifies the desired results, issues the project mandate, governs the project, and realizes benefits. Customer may also be the user. They may own the business, and they may also be the user of the product or the service. So that's why they are the ones who specify the desired results, in addition to being the sponsor. They issue the project mandate, meaning the trigger for a PRINCE2 project, which could be an opportunity or a study or a request for proposal, etc., or even a business plan. Governs the project and realizes benefits. It is therefore the customer or the users who realize benefits by using the service or product. Suppliers, on the other hand, provide the resources like people, equipment, etc., and the skills to deliver the results, meaning products and services. Definition of a program. A program is a temporary flexible organization structure created to coordinate, direct, and oversee the implementation of a set of related projects and activities in order to deliver outcomes and benefits related to organization strategic objectives. The key words in this definition is it's a temporary structure. It is also flexible because program path may not be fixed always. And it is about coordination of multiple projects, and they need to be related. And through that relation, the program delivers certain benefits, which may not be possible by each of those individual projects. And by doing this, the program meets organization strategic objectives. For example, increase in revenue or increase of market share, etc. Definition of a portfolio. The totality of an organization's investment or a segment of it in the changes required to achieve its strategic objectives. Just like a program, portfolio is also focused on strategic objectives. However, the program focuses on specific benefits and ensuring that those benefits occur, whereas the portfolio looks at the overall combination or collection of programs along with their projects and individual projects operations as well. This is the decision-making authority within the organization, also known as portfolio management. Commercial environment, which we started off with in this slide, the customer and supplier environment. Commercial environments, therefore, are mostly customer supplier. Therefore, each of those parties may have their own business cases. While there will be a single PRINCE2 business case, the customer will have their own business case, and the suppliers will have their own business cases in order to benefit from the contract with the customer. And they may have different on their own management systems, their own governance mechanisms, their own organization structures, delivery approaches like waterfall, agile, and even corporate cultures may be different. Ideally, one would expect that the culture of the customer and supplier would be very similar, which will be conducive for the success of the project. But in reality, this may or may not occur. Let's look at an example of projects in context. An organization who is heavily into digital products and services may have a digital portfolio, which is a collection of products and services in the market for their customers. Therefore, the portfolio would make decisions on which projects and which programs will be initiated. And also, reprioritization of the projects and programs will be done from time to time. For example, a certain project may be stopped and another project may be started. This project, the automation project, might be key for this organization to establish their presence in the market. Therefore, this may not be part of any program. It's a standalone project, part of the portfolio. A real standalone project would be like an experimentative project, not even connected to the portfolio. It may be running in a corner of the organization in a certain department for the departments to resolve their own issues. For example, improving their HR system or maybe a financial system, etc. Transformation program is one of the programs in this organization where, because they have a digital portfolio set of offerings, they would like to transform their existing way of working to more modern way of working using technology. Therefore, they are embarking on several projects and even operations in order to succeed in their transformation program. They have the IT upgrade project, by which they would like to upgrade their existing IT systems by bringing in modern technologies, for example, maybe artificial intelligence, and so on. Similarly, they may be improving their processes, for example, development processes or testing processes, etc. So they have a process re-engineering project. And finally, their ongoing operations, which fetch them revenue, may also be improved by the organization. So would like to enhance their current IT operations by maybe improving the skills of the personnel in IT operations and even improving the configurations and the type of systems in the IT operations. Therefore, the collection of all these leads to the successful of the program, and the collection of the program along with the automation projects leads to the success of the portfolio. Therefore, if a certain project or program is not relating well to the portfolio success, then those projects and programs may be put on hold, improved, or stopped and replaced by other projects and programs. Going back to the foundation of PRINCE2 itself, PRINCE2 is made up of the 4 integrated elements. They do not work in isolation, they connect with each other. That's why they are known as integrated elements. The first one is a set of 7 principles. Second, the 7 themes. Third, the 7 processes. And lastly, the project environment or the tailoring of project based on its environment. You might want to reflect on your learnings from the foundation level before we move further.